I'm gonna show you this, how to do this glass muffin. And it's so easy. So let's go, because this is how you're gonna do it. Come here, okay, and select the first one, the rectangle. So when you select the rectangle, this is how you're gonna do it. Push it like this, okay. And push it. Make sure you just make your angles well, okay. So I just want it to be around this side, okay. So when you're done, with it, okay, this is the what you're gonna do right now. You're going to hold this points, okay. So you can hold just only one, and this is what it's gonna give you, okay. So when you're done with this, come to the background and hold Control plus J. So you're going to duplicate it and you drag it to the top here, okay. So when you drag it to the top here, hold hotkey, okay. When you hold Alt, this is how it's going to be, okay. It's in, and we'll move to the filter and the blade and the gauzy blade. This is the blade we're going to use, the gauzy blade. So when you use this, you can use any amounts you just want to. So I put it into 38.7 pixels, and then you hit OK. Then you hit OK. When you're done with it, just move to the rectangle, layer, and then just push this, okay. Just push the stroke like so. We're going to maintain this, and here we'll move to the stroke, and I come to here, okay, this side, okay, the gradients, and you clear the gradients. So this is what you're going to get. So we don't want this, we're going to change it. So when you click here, this is what you're going to see, okay, the gradient editor. This is how it's going to be, and then you click on the black and change the color to, let's say, here I want something light. I want to focus about the background colors, okay, to use to match. Okay, so when you get this, just click on it, and it comes to the first one, the white, and change it to let's say this color, but let's push it to the top here to make it a little light. Then you click OK. No, okay. So let's check and see how is it, okay, before and after. Okay, so when you're done with this process, this is my test I'm going to add. Okay, this is my test, so I'm going to add my test to make it more better, okay. So as you can see, this is how we do it. See before and after, okay. So guys, this week, get to my page, subscribe to it. I'm gonna drop more video for you. See you for the next video. Bye.